What's up, guys? Hope you're having a good day. Back at it again. So, just for those who are wondering, this line right here is a high that we got rejected at really strongly this morning during 8:45 a.m. Eastern time at 17,525. So let's start with that open range high and open range low. We had an open range high sitting at 17,488, and we had an open range low sitting at 17,408. Nasdaq had a strong sell off the moment the market opened, had a strong bounce. Now, this is actually where I got into my trade because we did not get a breakout until al- almost what? Our first breakout was almost at 3 o'clock, so 2:45 it looks like. So, oh, and by the way, today I did trade two contracts right off the bat, and I traded the micro Nasdaq futures. So I made a lot less. I only made $23. That's why I'm not up that much. I think yesterday I was at like 155 or something. Now I'm at 179.14. But yeah, so the trade was actually right here. So I started to notice that at around this range, we were getting rejected not once, not twice, but three different times at the moving average on the 1 minute time frame. So I was expecting Nasdaq to start to pull back, maybe even sell off, and I noticed that we kept bouncing off this 460 range. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna wait for it to sell off a little, see some lower lows, lower highs, and I really wanted to see it retest the EMA and get rejected, and then that's when I was going to go short. Well, that's what I got. I basically got. We did break above it for about 2 minutes, but we really having trouble pushing up, making higher highs, as you can see right here. Every time got rejected, pushed back a little bit. It really didn't like this 466 level. So when we broke back below the EMA, I decided to go short on two contracts. Once we were around 457, 458, I took one profit, and then I actually took another profit when we started to form a support at 448. So I had a beautiful execution today. Good setup. Uh, I averaged down into the trade when I was up a little bit, took profits, and then when we started to form that support, and I noticed that we were not making lower lows, I decided just to get out, and I ended the day up $23 and I think 79 cents to be exact. But yeah, that was my trade for the day, guys. I'm definitely gonna keep. I'm definitely gonna keep doing this two contract. I really liked how I was able to automatically just take profit real quick and then let one run. That definitely it made me realize that yesterday where I had two trades where I was up over $250 and I didn't take profit simply because I was trying to let my runners run. I realized that if I would have had two contracts and I could have taken profit on one, even if I would have been up only $100 on one contract, that's $100 that's profit that's already in my account now. So, in a way, I'm sort of really resonating off of what I learned yesterday and the mistakes I made yesterday, and just I'm going to keep doing this, starting off with two contracts. And like I said yesterday, if I sell one contract and I make a little bit of profit and then I get caught in a pullback, worst case scenario is that second contract break even. And if it doesn't break even, then I lose maybe, what, $10, $25 at the absolute most. But right now, I'm just trading micro just to keep that risk low. Because, like I said yesterday, I really can't take another nasty loss just because the lowest I can get to is like $49,484. So if I take one big loss, like I did yesterday, then I could be looking at doing a reset, something I'm really trying to avoid. So I'm really going to fight the temptation tomorrow. Now, I will say this. I've talked about how I'm okay with trading in this noise, but only with the micro Nasdaq futures. You know, when we get these breakouts and these breakdowns, that's when direction's a lot more clear. That's when I can justify, actually trading the mini Nasdaq futures. That move that are a lot more heavily leveraged and move a lot faster and harder. Um, but yeah, just really want to break down that trade for you guys. I am really trying to fight the urge to trade the minis tomorrow, just so that way I can actually make a few $100s and get that count back up. Still working towards that 3K goal to get that funded account through Topstep. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys had a good day. If you guys made some money, let me know what led to your success. If you guys had a red day today, let me know what led to your red day. Let me know what mistakes you made today, and let me know how you're going to learn from them and what you should have done differently. And as always, guys, make sure you're journaling your trades. Probably one of the best things I've ever done. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you guys enjoy this video, smash the subscribe button. I'll see you guys.